I was thinking, I haven't made muffins in a while and realized I have some dark chocolate, some dried cherries, and some almonds. And I think this is going to turn out pretty well.
And oh yes, they did turn out really well. Warm, melty chocolate wrapped in a soft muffin crumb and dotted with sweet tart cherries, then topped with sugary toasted almonds. Talk about yummy! And they're made with just a few simple ingredients and a quick method to pull the batter together. Begin by creaming the sugar and butter together with a hand mixer. Add in 2 whole eggs and beat until it's all well combined. Next in the pool, add the plain Greek yogurt and pure vanilla extract. Use the hand mixer again to bring it together. In a separate small bowl, combine the dry ingredients: flour, almond flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Stir it together with a spoon and then add the flour mixture to the wet ingredients. And use the hand mixer on a slow speed to begin bringing the batter together. Scrape down the size as needed until you no longer see any dry flour. Then add in the chocolate chips and dried cherries. Stir with a spatula and then scoop the batter evenly into the lined muffin tins. Sprinkle the tops of each muffin with sliced almonds and granulated or coarse sugar. Then pop them into an oven that's preheated to 425 degrees. We start with a higher than normal temp to activate the baking powder quickly. After about 7 minutes, you can see that the muffins have begun to rise a bit more than usual. And now you're going to turn the heat down to 350 degrees and continue to bake them for about 10 minutes until the tops are puffed and lightly browned. Remove them from the oven and let them cool for about 5 minutes before you dig in. They'll have a light crunch from the toasted almonds and sugar on top. The crumb is soft and isn't overly sweet or dry. Amazing as a snack with coffee or tea.
And if you're wondering if you can customize this recipe, you absolutely can. You can change up the dried fruit, you can change up the chocolate chips to white chips or milk chocolate or toffee chips or whatever your heart desires. And you could even use some chopped nuts if you want. Just make sure you keep the measurements the same.
You can find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.